The McNary family. Here we see Joe. He suffers from bad bone arm disease. Tell us about your disease, Joe.
Well, they grew invalids for a while, and then the doctor said they don't look good. So they said, why don't we just cut them off? And I said, no way, fool. And they were like, well, I'm going to cut them off anyway, fool. So then they took the scalpel and the saw, and it hurt like crap, man. It hurt.
Is it true that you're one of 3 severely disabled children in your family?
See, senor?
I'm sorry. I don't speak Spanish.
That means yes, mister.
Alright, let's
Okay,
move
here.
on to Francis. He suffers from pineapple head disease.
I like his arms.
So tell me about your disease, Francis.
Well, I do. I, it's just so hard to live like this. I'm one of 4 people in the greater Midwest area that have this disease. See, I went to Hawaii when I was just a little one, and I contracted this disease from a native, and I just can't live like this. It's so hard.
I want to eat
Have
a
you
head.
considered shaving?
Shaving? Well, son, do you shave your skin off? This is my skin.
I shave my skin at least 3 times a week.
I can't do that. It hurts. I bleed.
How about a haircut?
A
I'm
haircut.
thinking you got a bit of a messy mop going up there.
Well, I think it's kind of stylish, you know.
I
Now-
disagree. I don't know where you're getting that.
Well, I am one of the most stylish pineapple heads in the Midwest area. I have so many problems, you know.
To be honest, I've
I go
never
to the-
seen anyone with this disease before.
I go to the supermarket, and they think I'm trying to steal this. It's just so hard. I don't know what
Have
to
you
do.
considered trying a different supermarket?
I live in Bungo, Alabama.
Is that even a place?
Of course it is. Now, my family live in the Midwest, and, well, nobody in Bungo has it. That's why I have it in the
Joe,
greater Midwest
is
area.
your brother full of horse shit?
Oh, oh.